An international legal battle involving court proceedings, worldwide freezing orders, and related financial documents encompassing well over 150 million US dollars has turned attention towards Zimbabwean businessman Sikosa Upwanya, Kudata Gray, Finance Ministry Permanent Secretary George Gwamatanga, and the two members of the Presidium whose names feature in recorded conversations disclosed during wider dispute. Nzana pina mashuko buda nyunga pangwa ine agents all eyes on Sakupwanya Tagurei EDS 150 million gold dispute expands across 5 courts over money Scott used for 2023 elections. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tina unamobla nyunga mchinzi. The development is the first time since allegations were raised that President Emmerson Mnangagwa demanded a 20 million bribe from food aid donors in 2019, although neither man is a defendant in the principal Singapore proceedings. The recordings discuss both in the context of alleged payment delays surrounding a gold investment program that has since triggered asset preservation proceedings in Singapore, the British Virgin Islands, Zimbabwe, Hong Kong, and Mauritius. The litigation began after investors alleged that invested 38 million US dollars into what the Singapore High Court describes as a gold investment scheme before seeking recovery of both the principal and 39 million in promised profits. According to the Singapore judgment, the claimants allege that the investment structure later shifted to Zimbabwe through Better Brands Investment, where gold was allegedly to be sold to Fidelity printers and refinanced before investors' returns were distributed. The judgment also records that the claimants later discovered Better Brands Investments was a separate corporate entity from Better Brands Jewelry Group, contrary to what they had understood at the outset. The judgment also records that the claimants later discovered Better Brands Investment was a separate corporate entity from Better Brands, and the Singapore proceedings have since been reinforced through international enforcement action. The Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court in the British Virgin Islands continued a freezing order in support of the Singapore proceedings, as per the court case 2025 of 2025 BVICOM 413. Se Kangwei and Lucent Trading versus Salas Porras, Carlos Luis and others. Toma developments arunda pangwa ine. When comment section medu za fungura edge moto lipa msulubi chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.